This LegiLiner cube has 6 different rolling stamps in a variety of colors. What it does is it lets you add math and writing lines to class worksheets in the moment. Here's how it works. Take the lid off and roll. I like this because it has everything you need to add visual supports for students who need them. There's your number line. We have 4, what are we missing? There's a lot on here. Looks like this is the last one. These don't always roll perfectly straight, and sometimes there's a little bit extra, but I really think that it's offset by the fact that you can use these in the moment and really quickly to support your students, so they don't need to be perfect. I would recommend these for both home and classroom teachers, and I would buy it again.